Hello, I'm attorney Kent Starr, and today I'm here with Avery Kane. And Mr. Kane, how long have we represented you?
For over a year.
And what was your initial bond?
$300 grand.
So you had a $300,000 bond in which county?
Collin County.
And what were you accused of?
Sexual assault of a child.
And tell me a little bit about the case.
So, obviously the girl lied to me about her age, and we had sex a couple times, and I was doing it under the impression that she was over age, and her parents called it in, and they had a warrant for me when I went to court for a different case. So.
And let me ask you this: the fact that she misrepresents what's her age is, you understand that that's not an affirmative defense under the law. You understand that now, don't you?
Correct.
But you agree with me, there's absolutely no way if somebody tells you I'm 19 for you to mysteriously figure out, well, you're really only 16, you're 15. There's no way to figure that out.
There's no way at all.
And you actually gave you 2 counts of sexual assault of a child, is that correct?
Correct.
And each case carried with it 2 to 20 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
Correct.
Do you feel like going through this judicial system, do you feel it was fair?
I don't feel like the judicial system is fair at all, because there's no way for me to have a voice as well. You know what I'm saying? So she had a voice more than me, because they obviously went to her side, and they didn't even know that she lied about her age or this and all that. So I had but just sit back and hire a lawyer.
But you understand is that the way that the legislature set up the sexual assault of a child, even if that child misrepresents, lies to you, gives you fake documents, under the current law, that's not an affirmative defense. You can't, it's like, okay, well, did I do it or not do it, regardless that she lied to you. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And me being your attorney, you understand what your first offer initially was.
Of course.
And what was that first offer?
5 years in TDC time.
And that was 5 years in the penitentiary. How do we end up resolving your case?
I got 5 years deferred probation, and everything. I don't have to register as a sex offender, and basically just be good on probation.
And you understand that you could have had to have registered under Chapter 62, which is a sex offender registration. Sometimes you have to register for life, sometimes it's for 10 years, but that would stigmatize you there's absolutely no words or nothing to sit down and quantify how that would stigmatize you. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
So right now you have a felony injury to a child,
correct.
Deferred probation, 5 years. You didn't spend any time in jail as a result of resolving this case. Is that correct?
Time in jail, correct.
Well, I appreciate you basically having the fortitude to let other people know just because you're accused of a crime, you're not going to go to the penitentiary, even though you are responsible for the crime, because you have admitted that I am responsible for it, and you pled guilty to the case, correct?
Correct.
But the court did not find you guilty, correct?
They did not, correct.
You have no probation, so you don't have to do no community service hours.
No community service.
You have 5 years of deferred probation, correct?
Correct.
Well, I really appreciate you taking time to come down here and let other people know that you don't have to go to the penitentiary just because you're accused of a sexual assault of a child.
Correct.
And God bless you, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.